Prince Rich, and you are joining my program, Let's Talk with Prince Rich. And I apologize, I did a video and I took it down after I realized it was my fault. I didn't check the volumes quality, but we were in a hotel. We were out here in Tupelo, Mississippi. And anyway, this is a redo of something that I posted and took down, but some of you saw probably me probably lip syncing. But anyway, today I want to talk about peace. And this is kind of interwoven with my last message on freedom, so to speak. But this is from the Gospel of John, chapter 14, verse 27. And Jesus is saying this to his disciples. And once again, these words always refer to any of us who believe in him and trust in him and want to walk closely beside him, as he also will walk beside us, as we always want to be in the will of God. But he said, my peace I leave with you, not as the world gives, do I give unto you. Let not your hearts be troubled, neither let it be afraid. And as a Christian person, as I came to continue to walk with the Lord in my heart and in the word, they rung so true and powerful in not only my life, but those who I've come across who have cleaved to God and wanted to walk with him and trust in him. You know, the world, and you notice in comparison in that verse, he does relate the world's peace. Not as the world gives, do I give unto you. He said, my peace, and the peace of God is something that surpasses all understanding except for those who know the Lord. But the world can't comprehend that. So we look out into the world, and I was there too, and how we trusted to have peace through sometimes getting that better job, making more money, having the right person to be with, statue and all those type of things. But what happens is, even those people, we look out into the world today, people who we revere and admire, who are very wealthy, very renowned, famous, man always has a problem some way or another. And that's why in one place in the Bible, God says, in the world you will have tribulation. But he tells his disciples again, but be of good cheer. I am with you always, even to the ends of the age. So that echo and promise to those who love him and trust him, it will transform in how you live your life, in the things as you go through the difficulties in life that will come to all of us, So in sickness or in health, prosperity, or famine, when the Lord is with you, those things will echo tremendously not only the peace of God that the world cannot understand. The very person who walks with Lord, these things are evident to those who are outside, how they can go through the crap and, and still have a smile on their face, or come through differently than some others cannot. And that's what it comes from. The peace that God has said, my peace I will give you, not as the world gives. And so my word and today for you is those of you who are waiting to think that the next leader or president we have to look for that peace, or your next job, the next mate, that peace will fail you. But the promise of God's peace will not. Doesn't mean you won't go through the trouble. But the difference is the peace that God gives you will always put contentment in your heart, or strength in your body to walk through the trials and tribulations and troubles that we all will go through in this life. And until next time, please like this message. If you like it, please leave comments. Subscribe to my channel if you want to continue to know when I do these next messages. God bless you all, and I thank you for listening. Bye-bye.